Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add links to your YouTube channel. So as you can see here, I'm on youtube.com guys. And to add links to your YouTube channel, you want to go ahead and click your account on the upper right hand side. Keep in mind that if you have not yet signed into your account, you want to go ahead and click login. It will trigger you to log into your Google account first, and then you can easily click the account option here, the account button, and go to your YouTube studio. Now, once you're inside your YouTube studio, it's super easy. Scroll down on the left hand side and go to customize. And from here, you want to scroll down a bit to where you'll find the section for links, right? So you will be able to find links and you can click add link. And here you just want to give it a name. So let's say I wanted to type in Instagram, right? I could type in Instagram, and I can go ahead and just put whatever the Instagram URL is, right? So let's say it's www.instagram, and I'm going to say instagram.com and just make up something, Drew. Let's say that's it. All I have to do is just go ahead and click and publish, right? Once you do that, it's going to save it on your channel. Now you can click and go to channel, and it's going to open up a new tab, and you will be able to see your channel name. And these links are also showing up on your, let's say, videos as well. So if you have a video published on your account, you should be able to find those at the bottom of your YouTube video description as well. But here you will be able to view your channel, and you can click more, and it's going to also show the channel URL. So as you can see here, it shows Instagram, and it's showing here on your account. And you can also add websites, you can add whatever it is. So let's say I want to add another one. I can go ahead and I can say website. I'm just doing it website, right? And let's say it is www.youtube.com. Let's say that's what I want the website is, and again you click publish, right? You also can move these around as well. So if you want to put this to the top, you can just do a swap, and as you can see here, you can easily drag it to the top and swap them around. So that's how you can easily. So here I'm going to switch this one from Instagram and say YouTube, make that correct, and that's how you have it. So once you go ahead and publish these guys, you have them on your channel. Let's do a quick refresh of my page again so that you can see that I have links there. So here you can see both links, and that's pretty much it guys. That's how you go ahead and add links to your YouTube channel. Very easy and very simple.